Okay, I'm going to cut a circle. So the point of this jig or this technique is to just make a straight cut and just keep rotating over and over so you have a whole bunch of straight cuts that form a circle. This is a knob that I was making for a jig in the shop, and you know, I'd never made one like this before, but I knew I wanted it round, so that's all I was doing here, and I just kind of wanted to show the jig. It's real simple, and I think that's how they work best. End up with right there.